Narendra Modi's tenure as India's Prime Minister has had a profound impact on the Indian stock markets, reflecting a mix of optimism, policy-driven growth, and occasional volatility. Since he took office in 2014, markets have often responded favorably to his government's economic reforms, infrastructure push, and investor-friendly policies. The benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, have witnessed significant growth, driven by both domestic and foreign investor confidence in India's long-term economic potential under Modi's leadership. One of the key drivers of this market optimism has been the government's focus on structural reforms. Initiatives such as the Goods and Services Tax (GST) simplified the country's tax system, creating a unified market and reducing inefficiencies. Additionally, programs like Make in India and Digital India have bolstered sectors like manufacturing and technology, attracting foreign direct investment (FDI). These policies have translated into increased corporate earnings and stock market gains, particularly in sectors like infrastructure, IT, and banking. The Modi government's emphasis on financial inclusion and digitization has also boosted market participation. Schemes like Jan Dhan Yojana brought millions into the formal banking system, while demonetization in 2016, though controversial, accelerated digital payment adoption. Stockbroking platforms and mutual funds have seen a surge in retail participation, with more Indians investing in equities than ever before. The rise of fintech platforms such as Zerodha and Grow has further democratized access to the stock market for retail investors. Foreign investors, too, have shown strong interest in India, viewing it as a stable investment destination under Modi's administration. However, markets have not been immune to global and domestic challenges. Events like the COVID-19 pandemic, rising inflation, and geopolitical tensions have caused periodic corrections. Yet, the government's proactive measures, such as fiscal stimulus packages and the push for self-reliance Atmanirbhar Bharat, have mitigated long-term impacts and supported recovery. Despite some criticism of privatization efforts and economic disparities, the Modi era has undeniably been a transformative period for the Indian stock market. Investors remain optimistic about India's growth story, bolstered by policies aimed at making India a global economic powerhouse. Modi's leadership has reshaped market dynamics, creating an environment where reforms, growth, and innovation coalesce, inspiring confidence in India's financial future.